Let's go and make something.
I even bought some new glue. So this is actually the hammered look. It's called hammered black. So basically it gives it like a hammered steel look. Don't know what it's going to look like on wood, but you know, I'll probably put a couple of coats on. Oh, it isn't. So I've got these Christmas lights. Well, they're not Christmas lights, they're just called micro LED lights. And they're just all they are is they're just these tiny LEDs on a couple of bits of wire. Now there's 100 lights, and I've got like 54 holes, so there'll be since they're LEDs, I can actually just have them in behind here, not doing anything. Right, I want to go that way. I was just thinking. So, my idea is if I just kind of fold them like that. Actually, hang on. It's long enough. It's long enough. And what I'll end up doing is, and I'm just going to fold the next one over. Sorry. Poke it in the hole like so. And what we'll end up doing is we'll put some masking tape over it just to hold it temporarily. It's probably temporarily long term, to be honest. Because I might want to change this out or actually use the lights for something else. I'm going to have like 40 odd lights spare, and I know, as I said, I can't cut them because I've got a circuit board here with the resistors and resistance for the set for 100 LEDs, and I'm not that good at electronics to actually work it out. I'll just check every now and again to make sure it's still going. Right, like I said, I'm just going to put some tape just over that just to hold it in. This mask tape is probably temporary, what I class as temporary long term. The main reason is I probably want to use these lights for something else later on, so I'm not putting them in permanently. So yeah, if I leave them on, I can see them, can't I? That's good using my brain.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. And remember to click the notification bell icon, that way you'll be notified when I upload a new video. You can find us on most social media, including Google+, Facebook, Pinterest, Twitter and Instagram. Please also consider supporting me on Patreon. See you next time. Don't forget to go and make something.